9 benefits of content scheduling that you didn't know about. Content scheduling software has made this process more efficient and effective for businesses. It allows you to schedule your content and make sure it gets published when you want it to be published. You can set up as many different schedules as you want, and then the software will do the rest. It's much more efficient than manually scheduling everything. Improve your marketing ROI. Improving your marketing ROI is a key goal for any business, but it can be a difficult task to achieve. One way to increase your return on investment is by using content scheduling software. This tool can help you streamline your content creation and distribution process, saving you time and money. Boost your social media presence. Businesses of all sizes are using social media to connect with their audience, build brand awareness, and drive traffic to their websites. However, maintaining a consistent presence on social media can be a daunting task, especially when you have other priorities to attend to. This is where content scheduling software comes in handy. Increase customer loyalty. In today's business world, customer loyalty is essential for the success of any organization. It's no secret that retaining existing customers costs far less than acquiring new ones. Therefore, companies are continuously looking for ways to increase customer loyalty and improve customer retention rates. Build brand awareness. Building brand awareness is a crucial aspect of any successful marketing strategy. It involves creating a strong and consistent image for your brand that resonates with your target audience. One way to achieve this is by using content scheduling software, which allows you to plan and publish your content more efficiently. Keep your audience engaged. In today's digital age, keeping your audience engaged is critical to the success of your business. With so many brands vying for attention, it's essential to create a consistent stream of high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. However, producing and publishing content manually can be time-consuming and inefficient. This is where content scheduling software comes in. Create an impressive online reputation. In today's digital age, businesses must maintain an impressive online reputation to attract and retain customers. With the vast array of social media platforms available, it can be challenging to stay on top of posting consistently. This is where content scheduling software comes in handy. By using a content scheduling tool, you can plan and schedule your social media posts in advance, ensuring that your brand is visible across multiple channels. Manage multiple projects. Managing multiple projects can be a daunting task, especially for those who are working in fast-paced and dynamic environments. With so many different things to keep track of, it's easy to get overwhelmed and lose sight of important deadlines or tasks. Fortunately, there is a solution that can help streamline the process and make managing multiple projects much easier: content scheduling software. Create more consistent content. Creating consistent content is essential for any brand or business looking to establish a strong online presence. However, consistently producing high-quality content can be a challenging task, as it requires time, effort, and resources. This is where content scheduling software comes in handy. With the help of such software, businesses can streamline their content creation process and achieve more consistency in their online presence. Boost sales and profits. With the rise of digital marketing, businesses can no longer rely solely on traditional advertising methods to attract and retain customers. By using content scheduling software, companies can streamline their content creation process, improve their online presence, and ultimately boost sales and profits. Content scheduling is a critical component of content marketing. It ensures your content is published at the right time, reaching the right audience, and increasing engagement. It is also a great way to improve your productivity and organize your workflow.